Hi friends, welcome to SSStockAlerts channel. In this video, we will talk about the search feature. Just click on search. Here you can type the any stock name. So I'm typing Wipro. So just select it. Once you select it, we'll get the information about the that stock information. Okay. By default, like site will give some rating, either buy, sell, neutral. So currently, this stock is recommending for buy level. And what is the current score? It is a 17, and the earlier score was it is the early previous score was 27, and yesterday the score was 17, right? And you can see the score here and the previous score if you hover it, and you can see in the comment here. Okay, and what's the score? Like the score is calculated based on the daily, weekly, monthly. So all the combinations we have used to generate the score. And whenever the score is greater than 0, okay, we can go for a buy. But whenever the score is less than 0, please do not buy such stocks when score is less than 0. Even if it has forms a very good bullish patterns, it is not recommended to buy at when the score is 0 minus, like below the 0 levels. Just wait for the score to update the more than 0, and when the score is greater than 20, it is a high momentum, and you can buy such stocks. And you can, like, from here, what we are going to get is we will get all the technical information related to the stock. Let us go and we'll get the chart patterns, and we can see everything from the here. Okay, we will let us we'll go to the each by one by one. Here we are having the LTP and these things everyone knows. And the most important part here is volume. Just check what is the volume and what is the 52 weeks low, and it is 52 weeks low is 159, and what is its 52-week high? It is a 381. And this is the most important factor. Whenever I am taking a trade, I look for this. So, and what is its percentage from 52 weeks low? That means how much momentum it has there from its low. It is a 126 percentage. So when stock has given this much percentage, definitely it has some momentum, so we can select stocks. So I always recommend to select stocks which are greater than more than 70 percentage from its 52-week low. And right, and another criteria is always look for stocks within the 10 percentage range of 52 weeks high. So what is the current range of this stock? It is a 5.61 percentage, just away from the its 52-week high. So always whenever we are buying a stocks at a 52-week high, the most chances are we are getting a targets. Whenever you are buying stocks at 52 weeks low, the most of the chances it may fail, right? And what is the current support? And based on this support and resistance, based on the pivot points, and we can see the pivots in the bottom also. So the current support is 357, current target is resistance is 363. And the chart, it is very useful. Here you can see the weekly and monthly and daily also. Okay, this is daily chart. Okay, and here I want to show the supports. Just go click on the swing points and support, right? See, it has formed a nicely, it went to 52 weeks high, and there was a pullback here, and it is consolidating over here. Now small, it is just moving to the towards. Again, whenever it is breaking again its 52 week high, it is a, again it has a very high momentum. Just watch for this stock. And apart from that, you can show the resistance also. Just click on resistance, and if you see, the current resistance are 380 and 360. Once it is moved through 360, our next target is 380 only. How it is useful? Whenever you are taking trade based on any method, either it is based on the Fibonacci or any bullishing engulfing pattern or a breakouts, always look for the, just go here and click on resistance. You will get the these lines, and these lines will be your target. So as per this data, my target is 380 for the my for this long position. And if you want to see swing like high and lower points, you can click on the show HH higher, like higher high higher low points. You can see the what are the points. And from the chart pattern, if you want to see where is the bullish engulfing, where is the bearish engulfing, you want to see in the chart, just click on go to patterns and select the pattern. The pattern will be highlighted here with the marker B for bullish engulfing. So here one bullish engulfing is there, here bullish engulfing is there, here bullish engulfing is there. You can look for all the patterns. And if you want to see what is the volume high percentage, just click on here, go to volume and volume high, and you can see what is the and which x percentage it is greater. So here it says 5x, that means in the last 20 days this is the highest volume. It will be like 500% greater than last 20 days. So whenever such thing happen, the next 1 or 2 days it will be like it a high momentum, right? So you can see this is the chart, and you can draw the SMAs and 21 and 50 for now. And you can download this image, so it will be downloaded. And next thing important is you can find all the patterns formed by this stock in one place. No need to go for the scans page and look for each scan whether the stock is came under that scan or not. So just come, you can see there are 91 patterns formed this stock by yesterday. So what are those things? And you can find everything here. Example, I'm just going for one or two. So the stock is outperforming a Nifty index in one period. Last day it is outperforming than the Nifty, and last 52 weeks also it is outperforming than Nifty. So and it is like a relative strength. The stock has a strength than the Nifty index, so it is a relative strength. So such stocks will give good performance. And it formed a red candle yesterday, and the close above previous day close, it closes above the previous day close. And you can see CCI overbought zone, MACD zone, and ADX is in weak trend. It is not in good trend now currently. And currently the price is at resistance. You can see it close at resistance, and price is above the last 35 days high. Like today, yesterday, the price is above than the last 35 days price. And positional buy. So and it is making, it is trying to make higher high and higher low. So all the patterns you can see in the here. So if you want to see all the what are the patterns formed by a stock, any stock, you can just click on that stock information and you can find everything like monthly patterns, weekly patterns, everything you can see here. And what is the performance it has given in last 1 month? It's a 2%. And this SMA area of value is a one research feature which we have added. So here it is nothing but 21 SMA is, this is SMA period and this is the backtest period. So for 21 SMA, how much support it is giving? 65%. And do not think all stocks will give you same percentage. Each stock will have a different value. So 60 times 60 percentage times it is giving, SMA is giving 21 SMA is giving support, and 50 also it is respecting with 60 percentage. But I always look for more than 70 percentage for this area of value support. And what the moving average is telling is 5 moving average is bullish and 10 moving average also bullish. Like the current price is greater than the 5, 10, 20 all the SMAs. So currently that's why we are showing the bullish signal. And EMS also suggesting the bullish because the current price is greater than the all the EMS. And what are the other technical indicators are telling? You can see here MACD is bullish, currently the value is 4. And CCI, it is also in the overbought zone, so it is a bullish. And stochastic also it is in overbought zone, it is a bullish. And RSI, it is a 62, it has a good strength here. And MFI is nothing but volume with RSI, and it is also 54. And ADX is currently it is in a like a weak trend because it should be if it has a more than 25, it is a good trend, but currently it is in a weak trend. And vertex index also, it is saying 1, so it is a positive. And you can see the pivot points. What about the pivot points? Daily, weekly, monthly. So you can calculate this for the next supports or a resistance. You can use these pivot points. And what are the swing points or the supported points here? So here here it shows supports and here it shows resistance. So the current support we have is 352, and the volume at the 352 is this much, and the next support is 341, so the volume is this much, and the next support is 338, the volume is this much. So at 338 we have a huge volume. Then it will give you more support at this range. And what are the next resistance? You can see in the here 361 is our next resistance and 381 is the last resistance what we in the chart. So these things we can get it from the, and if you want to daily history for the stock, you can download using the stock information. And if there are any bulk deals, will show here. And once you if you want to add the stock to your portfolio, just log in. And once you log in, you can add the stock to your portfolio, either your portfolio or your watch list, or you can add some notes. And I want to add some notes, so let me create one notes here. Wipro at 52 weeks high zone, about 360, it will be doing good. So these notes will be helping. This is like your observations and your analysis. You can add your just analysis to the stock, and later point after 1 or 2 months, you can verify what is your observation is good or not, and you can check it how is the thought process going on. Everything you can see your notes here. And if you want to filter just specifically for Wipro, and you can do this. And you can add to your portfolio or your watch list, and you can click so it will show you what are the watch list you have created, and you can select any watch list, so it will be added to that watch list. That's all, friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.